In this video, I'll demonstrate how to remove an authenticator from blizzardbattle.net. Start by visiting the battle.net login page. Click on the Can't Login link, and then select Remove My Authenticator. Provide your email address and click Next. For the security check, choose SMS and Submit. You'll receive an OTP on your phone, enter it and click Submit. After adding your security PIN, you'll be asked to verify your identity. Select Password and enter your password. Once done, you should receive confirmation that you've successfully removed the authenticator from your blizzardbattle.net account. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel.